Hello guys, before this video gets started, I'd like to tell you I'm dropping another hoodie design into my collection. It's going to be second hoodie now. This one there is dark grey with the matte black logo. The same on the back. Super comfortable, high quality, keeps you nice and warm in this kind of weather. So if you want to copy one, please email me and I will ship one to you. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we continue working on this 2021 DAF XF, which the cab is here. You've seen me in the previous video fixing this cab. Basically this lorry been over on the left side, on the passenger side, and I fixed the roof and put a new panel in. It's pretty much all in primer, ready to rub it down and paint, and the plan is to build this chassis up ready for this cab. Basically the chassis been twisted because as you can imagine this being over of the thing is that the trailer go over first because the center of gravity is higher than this tractor unit. So basically by this point you will try to flip this lorry over, so you've got that kind of twisting effect. As soon as you put it on the wheels, this side will be, the back end will be like that and the front end will be the other way or the other way around, depends which way it lands. So plan is, we've got all the bits for it. Obviously I stripped it all and we've sent it to Dave to chassisalignment.co.uk, and he twisted the chassis back, so it's sitting all perfectly now because it was bent. It was sitting hell of a on the angle, front to back. That's what you get when the lorry goes over. I've got all the bits here. Some of you say, why don't you just wash it? But I'm just saying I'm not gonna do that, because this lorry, most of the lorries leave on the roads and go into the farm tracks and all that kind of stuff. So as soon as that lorry leaves here, the first trip out is going to be filthy. So I'm not going to wash anything because I'm not going to waste my time. I'm not going to waste my time unless someone wants to pay for it and tells me to do it. But it ain't really worth it, to be honest, because it'll be muddy and filthy on the first trip out. So no point, to be honest. But yeah, the plan is get the rads in, get all the build up. So let's do it. we're all done on this one. Pretty much all pulled back together. I'll say pretty much because we still went for the roof, completely roof deflector with the frame. We've got 2 ear deflectors. It's all painted. We painted the side panel, the side roof, front, and the top, obviously top roof, and a bit on the back, which is pretty lucky actually because everything else is old. What was on it, I know there's a scuff here and there, but to be honest, this is a working truck. It's not show truck. It goes to the fields and picks the stuff up, and I mean it's dirty outside, but you should see it all inside. It's about 10 times that. Mud and dust everywhere, which is pretty much lucky actually, being on the side, and it's only damaged that side and the roof and the 2 ear deflectors, because everything else is old there. So that was a quite soft landing, to be honest. All put back together nicely. Still waiting for the roof deflector. Hopefully it won't be too long, and in the meanwhile I'm working on this SCANIA which I told you about. It had a nasty hit in that front post. That front post was bent like a banana, so I'm in the process of pulling it all, stripping it, and taking the bits off it. So you're going to see that in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.